Are you tired of spending so much money just because you want to do skincare in the year 2025? Are you tired of trial and error because you have tried so many products and they do not seem to work for you? Are you looking for affordable and yet effective products that would help to give you that glowy and radiant skin that we all are looking for this year, 2025? Then if you have asked all these questions yet you got no answer or no reply, this video is for you. Hi my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite girl, Amarachi Favy, and in today's video I'll be doing my affordable morning skincare routine. This particular skincare routine will be very suitable for students because I got a comment in my comment section by one of my subscribers asking that I do a skincare routine for students. Okay, so if you are watching, this particular video is so budget friendly and even students can afford this particular routine that I'm about to show in this video. Also, this video is going to be a Q&A because I just hit 5,000 subscribers. All thanks to you guys. I owe it to you people that have subscribed to my channel, that love my content. I am so grateful. Okay, I'm so thankful. I don't even know the right words to use, but I'm very grateful that you are part of this community and you are helping me to grow. And I promise to keep delivering quality or nothing. So let's just dive into the video proper. So in this very video, like I said, it's going to be a Q&A because I put up a question tag in my comment section when I newly hit the 5,000 subscriber, and I was asking you guys to ask me questions in my Instagram DM, questions that you would want me to answer. So this particular video would be a morning skincare routine and also me answering your Q&A. In total, these are the questions. So just in case you see me looking down, I'm trying to like look at the book. These are the questions. I got 10 questions because I use my phone to film. That is the reason why I wrote out the questions so that I can be able to recall all of them and also answer the questions. So I will not leave any of the questions unanswered. So the very first step that are going to be taken when you are doing your morning skincare routine will have to be you cleansing your face. And I do that using this Face Fact Ceramide hydrating cleanser. This is a hydrating gentle cleanser and it contains ceramides, hyaluronic acid and oats. This particular cleanser is sold for 8,000 naira and it lasts for 4 months. So it is so student friendly. Okay, it is very affordable because it will last for you as well. I've already cleansed my face off camera because I don't want this video to be too lengthy because of the Q&A. Let me read out the first question. So the first question is, what is your full name? Okay, my full name is Amarachi Favor. Okay, Anyuku Amarachi Favor is my full name. So the next thing we're going to be going in with, once we are done cleansing our face with our gentle cleanser, will have to be a toner. And for toners, I use this very gentle toner from Simple. This is Simple Soothing Facial Toner, 100% alcohol free. So I'm just going to be applying it directly on my face. I'm not going to use a cotton pad. Most of you used to wonder, what if I don't have a cotton pad? Can't I use my toner? This is a second method at which you can use your toner. Okay, so you're going to be putting in some of the products on your palm and you're going to do like this and dab it on your face. Wow. Okay, so while we're allowing the products to like sitting on our face, I'm going to answer the second question. Why did you choose this niche on YouTube? Okay, the reason why I chose this niche on YouTube is because I have acne prone skin and it was giving me like a major issue. So immediately I was able to clear my acne using affordable skincare products. It got to me that since I like making videos, because I like making videos on a normal, since I like making videos, why don't I, put up this particular thing on YouTube? When I started, I was talking about my skin concern and how I got rid of a lot of things that were on my face, okay? This glowy face and clear skin you are seeing today is the major reason why I chose this niche. I felt like this is something that I've gone through, okay? My skin has had a lot of skin concerns in the past, and I was like, this particular platform will be a very good avenue for me to share my thoughts and the products that work and the ones that did not work for me. So that was the reason why I chose this niche on YouTube. So I want to like go ahead and fan my face. Okay, if you have a fan, just go ahead and use your fan, but if you don't, just allow your face to dry. So the next question is, how can I get rid of my dark spots on my hands and legs? Please mention the products that I can use to clear them. It's really giving me a huge concern. Thank you for all you do. Thank you so much, okay, for watching my content as well. So to get rid of your dark spots that are on your body, I will say that you will have to use a brightening soap, a soap that will target the spots and get rid of them. And for soaps, I will recommend E45 3-in-1. Forgotten the exact name, but I'm going to insert it on the screen. And also for the body lotion, I will recommend that you use Skin Renewal. Okay, I would also insert it on the screen. Okay, I'm going to use these two products at night, okay, not during the day. They would help to target your dark spots and get rid of them. Okay, these two products have worked for a lot of people, and I believe that it would work for you as well. Okay, so this is the serum that we're going to be using. This particular serum helps to fade away dark spots, and you can use it morning and night. So I'm going to apply it like this. Do not allow the dropper to touch your skin. Okay, then the next thing I do is just to like go ahead and just press it onto my face like this. But I only do this method on the days that I have time. Okay, if I don't have time, I'll just go ahead and rub it. By doing this, I'm already like pressing in the product onto my skin. My skin is absorbing all the products already. So question number 4. Congratulations on your 5K subscribers. All road leads to 10K. Yes! You are really good at what you do. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. I really appreciate. And also thank you for watching my content. And I'm going to allow my face to like dry before I go in with the next product. So I'm going to just be answering the questions as I'm fanning my face. Congratulations, Favy. Most times I watch your videos without hearing anything. Why? Because you are so beautiful. Oh, you guys cannot just stop flattering me. I'm so grateful. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. So I'm just smiling ear to ear because of this comment. Ooh. Ooh. So question number 6. I know this is not skincare related, okay, but how are you able to stay so consistent on YouTube? Like, it is not easy. I don't even know how to start. But the major thing is that I've already told myself that this is something I love to do, and I know that I'm going to be putting up content. So the basic way that I do this is to batch film, okay? I normally batch film, like my December content, I filmed them, I think that should be last week of November and first week of December. That was the period I filmed my December content. If I batch film, it would help me to just stay consistent. I would not be like uploading the content later. Do you understand? I will not have to be bothered, you know, hoping that I will create content, you know, stuff. I batch film and I even upload. I go ahead and upload on YouTube. And like I said, if this is something that you'd want to do, if you want to be a YouTuber, but like really want to be a YouTuber, I believe that the passion will be there. Even if it's not YouTube related, like even when it comes to business, for the fact that you have the passion for that particular business would make you to keep showing up even when you are not having customers. So this is just the basic way that I stay consistent, and I know that people would want to watch me. Do you understand? Even when I've not had like 5,000 subscribers, I always tell myself that I have people that want to watch me. Do you understand? I have people that I have to show up for. There was a period that I will post, I only have like 69 views. Do you understand? Like 69 views, at most 70 views, but I keep posting. You understand? That's just the way I stay consistent. And I tell myself that if I don't post, it's just like going to work. If I don't post, that means I have missed work. That is just one of the major reasons that helps me to stay consistent. I take this as my job and I do it diligently. If you know, if you are working for someone, you don't want to be queried by your boss. That is just it. So I don't want anybody to query me. I don't want my subscribers to query me. It's not like I have anybody special that used to like query me, okay? But my conscience will never rest, because I'll be like, likes of Minister Esther would want to see me on YouTube, so I want to like put up content on YouTube so I can interact with my subscribers. Is a way that I get to like connect with new people, if that answers your question. Okay, yeah, so the next product that we're going to be going in with will have to be this moisturizer, this snail gel. Okay, snail gel moisturizer. This particular moisturizer is so good and so soothing. Like, it is so soothing to the skin, and it would help to calm your irritated skin and also lock in all the moisture that you need. In fact, enough talk, it is so for 2005. Very affordable, very affordable. The simple toner is sold for 6,000 naira, and the serum I used is sold for 4,000 naira. All these things I'm giving are the most affordable products that you can find in the markets, like the most affordable. You can't see them elsewhere. You can't see any product that will be very effective like the ones I'm giving to you in this video. So I'll just go ahead to like apply it on my face. Whew. And then also remember your neck area, your neck region, your ears. Whenever I'm applying my moisturizer, I like to like moisturize every part of my face so that they will not look dry. Okay, so now I'm done with the moisturizer, and I'll allow it to dry. So while it is drying, I'll go ahead with the next question, the 7th question. Why you too fine? Now God, though, I can't tell why I'm too fine. Thank you so much. Thank you. So question number 8. I do not have any question, but a video request. Okay, can you film a body care demonstrative video step by step? Thanks. You're welcome, and I will do it. Okay, I will do it when I must have, you know, settled down at a place, because now I'm not yet, you know, in my own space. Okay, so I will do it when I am so comfortable doing it. Okay, I hope that answers your question. But definitely I'll be doing a body care routine demonstrative video that you will get to see the steps that I take when I do my body care routine, not just me explaining it here on this channel. Okay, yeah. Question number 9. Favor. Okay, this person must know me very well. Favor, how has life after school been? Hell, should we talk about it? Life after school has been, I don't want to use the word tough, because I believe that God has been good. Okay, life after school have just been life after school, nothing much. Yeah, with the economy, things are not just going like the way I already planned, but that at least things are moving. It has been tough, but I will keep striving. That is just it. Life after school would prepare you to be a proper adult. Then when I was in school, you know, you have people that will be giving you money like steady, but now it's no longer like that. It's not like I'm saying that I'm not dependent on people. I'm dependent on my family for now, but life after school have not just been easy, but I'm grateful. I'm grateful for the growth. I'm grateful for everything that's happening in my life at this moment. Okay, yeah, okay. Does that answer your question? So the last thing that you're going to be applying when you are doing your morning skincare routine will have to be a sunscreen. And for sunscreens, I use this particular one, Bio UV, but this one is remaining very little. I'm very certain that it will not like be enough for me today. Hence the reason why I'm bringing out the new pack. So this is Bio UV Aqua Rich Watery Essence. It contains SPF 50 plus, like plus raised to power 4. So if you're looking for an affordable option when it comes to like a good sunscreen that would keep your skin protected, I would say that you should go for Bio UV. Is a good sunscreen. This one I bought it for 11,000 naira. Why this small one? I bought it for 7,000 naira, but it has finished. I'm going to be unboxing this now. Wow. Okay, I think I like the packaging of this one better than this one. This one, you have to just open it like this. Okay, but this particular one you have to do it like this. Oh, it's giving sleek vibes. See it. Okay, so for sunscreens, you remember that the method we use is our 3-finger method, and this is how to apply it. You apply on your finger like this. I'm going to use a mirror to look at my face while I'm doing this because I don't want to make any mistake. Oh my God. So the little that is remaining, I normally bring it down here and also my neck. Where the work comes is blending it. I'm going to be blending using a mirror, so please pardon me. So I'm going to be answering the last question while I'm blending this. I really love your content and how you take your time to explain in details. This is what attracted me to your channel, and also how you reply to your comments, unlike other creators. Keep it up. Congratulations on 5,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I would really appreciate it if you don't like compare me to other creators. You know, a lot of people are busy. People have the reason why maybe they don't reply to comments. For me, this is just a way that I personally connect with my own subscribers and my community, because I believe I'm building a community, a good community here. Okay. Yes. So that is the reason why I always reply to my comments, and I don't see the reason why someone will watch my content and I would not reply to the person's comments. Like, I don't see the reason, sha. But that does not mean that you have to like compare me to other creators, okay? They're doing their best, and that is just them, okay? And this is just me. And thank you for your congratulatory messages, okay? I am grateful. Anytime I apply sunscreen, I'm looking like one masquerade like that. But calm down. It is going to blend in very soon. These are all the questions I got. I was just only able to like get 10 questions from 10 amazing people here on YouTube. I'm going to be using my fan again to like make the sunscreen to dry ASAP on my skin because I'm going out. So, but if I'm not in a hurry, I just allow you to sit in. Do you understand? Okay. And also remember that you have to like reapply your sunscreen every 2 hours if you're going to be like under the sun, so that you will not have sunburn. Okay. Yes. This is my basic morning skincare routine that is so affordable and student budget friendly. If you're a student and you're looking for the right products that you can incorporate into your morning skincare routine that will not break the bank because you're a student and you need all the money that you can get, you need to save them, okay? I would say that you just purchase the product I just reviewed on this particular video. They are so nice. And once again, thank you all for your congratulatory messages on my 5,000 subscribers. I hope to do this again when we are at maybe 10,000 subscribers. So the last thing I do is just to go ahead and moisturize my lips. If you have noticed, unlike me, my lips have been dry in this video, okay? Because I want to keep it natural, step by step on how I do my thing. The last step I do is just to pat the sunscreen onto my face, like press it in so that they will relax and penetrate my skin and then protect me from the harmful UV ray proper. Okay, yeah. So if you have been looking for affordable skincare products to use this year 2025 to give you a brighter and a glowy skin, here you have it, my loves. Okay, and it was fun doing this Q&A, and I believe that very soon I'm going to do another one, even if we are not yet at 10,000 subscribers. I enjoyed this particular section. I enjoyed answering all your questions. So if you have watched this particular point of the video and you are yet to subscribe to this YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe so that we will get to 10K as soon as possible so that we can do this Q&A again. And also turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the very first person to get notified once I upload a new video, and leave a comment in the comment section if you're confused on anything I just said, or if you feel like I don't answer your question very well. Like this video, share to someone that you think there is a student that will need this particular skincare routine. And until next time, my loves, stay glowy and bye.